Hello, hello, hello. It is Dolly. Welcome to my channel, Scrapping on the Go. This process video is for Mini Kit Monday with Becky, Kathy, Tracy, and myself. This is layout number 2 for the month of September, and Tracy is our host for the month of September, and she has brought to us this beautiful mood board as our inspiration piece. If you would like to play along, we have a Facebook group, and I will have the link listed below. And the fun part of playing along and posting your kit and your layouts over at our Facebook group in the September album will give you an entry to possibly win either a curated kit or a gift card from Tracy. All right, let me show you my page kit number 2. And so it is really all about the cocoa vanilla. So I have Unforgettable, Happiness, and Wild Heart die cuts. I have Happiness flare buttons. I do have some clear stickers from Becky that are nice and bright to go with my papers that I selected from Cocoa Vanilla. We have the Unforgettable clear stickers. And we have some chipboard numbers and a few alphas, thinking that I could use a couple letters or the year, not sure. I have the Wild Heart chipboard stickers. It's only one-sided. I have a few of the happiness stickers and lots of word phrases. I have this scrap paper for possibly matting or layering behind my photograph. I have this scrap paper that is about 8 by 12, and it is from the Happiness collection. Again, for some layering. I have this paper from the Happiness collection. I chose this side. This is a solid side, which is awesome, but I'm wanting it for this side. And then I have from the Happiness Good Vibes and this beautiful rainbow, which would be perfect. But I think I am using this side, and I'll tell you why. Now, I did bring into my kit my Daisy White cardstock. I'm going to do some large matting is my thought. And then I have this older photograph of my husband and I from 2009. The next step in my process is I'm going to pause this video and create my layout, and two things are going to happen. I'm either going to show you my process when I come back. You're going to see some of my process is what I should say, or you're going to see the finished layout. It all depends on the amount of time I have to spend in editing and doing the voiceover. All right, so I'm going to pause and I will be right back, and it'll be a surprise to you what you're going to see next. All right, I'm back with a little short voiceover. So as you can tell, I have a triple foundation matte. Along the Daisy White cardstock, I use the Tim Holtz Distressed Ink in Peacock Feathers to ink the edges. I use that black polka dot paper to matte part of my photograph. Now I am getting out all those embellishments that I showed you in the beginning, and I'm going to start with creating my title. I am using the chipboard from the Wild Heart collection from Cocoa Vanilla. I'm spelling out the word love. Then I will move on to selecting ephemera die cut pieces from the various packs from Cocoa Vanilla that will complement this layout. And I have lots of choices based on that 12 by 12 flower pattern paper. So I have blue, pinks, green, and a very light yellow. And then the next thing I will do is select which of these ephemera pieces that will go to each corner
on top of that daisy white cardstock. Why I'm just a little bit ahead of myself, I'd like to remind you once again that in the description box will be Becky, Kathy, Traci's link to their channel so that you can go see what they created using products from their September kit for layout number 2. All right, next I will go back to the live portion, which I will explain each corner or quadrant of clusters that I created.
All right, I am back to share my final layout. Didn't this turn out fabulous? I love how this turned out. Now remember, everything here is cocoa vanilla except for 2 products, and I will point those out to you. So we will start from the foundation layer and moving up. So we have the 12 by 12 paper. The next one I cut 10 1/4 by 10 1/4. And then my daisy white cardstock from Close to My Heart, 10 by 10. And centered and overlapped on my photograph is the chipboard piece. And remember, these are all cocoa vanilla unless I say differently. Then I did clusters in each 4 corner, and we will start over here in the right hand corner. So we have this die cut flower piece here, this die cut ticket piece that says Love Lifetime Pass. Then we have a sticker tab that I tucked in right here. Then another die cut piece that says Life is Good and the XOXO. Then we have the clear sticker right here. It looks like little bricks. It's gray, and that completes this cluster. Then we move on up here, going up to the right-hand side. As you can tell, I tucked in a die cut dolly right here, and it's a kind of a blue-gray color. I added this gray-blue butterfly, then a pink butterfly, and these are all die cut pieces here, and then Dream Big, and then this one that says Love, and I tucked under that paper layer. And then I added a clear sticker right here. So you're going to see each quadrant, I kind of duplicated the different textures of products. Then we'll move over to the left top hand corner. So we have 1, 2 die cut flower pieces tucked in with this die cut ticket on top, and it says She Belongs with the Wildflowers. Then from the Vicky Booten clear sticker is this one. It says Enjoy This, along with this kind of blue splatter. That completes this cluster section. We move on down to the lower left here, and we have another butterfly. Then we have this die cut piece, and this flower die cut piece, and that flower die cut piece, and those succulents. And then we have this tag, and then over on top of it is this fishtail banner tag that is cut pointed, but you can't see the fishtail. It has a small flower print, and it says Little Moments. And on top of this kind of ribbon die cut piece, I put one of those flares, and it says Loving Every Second. And now we'll go back to my title. So my title reads Hello to Happy Love. Hello to Happy Love. So that's my title. Then I wanted some splatters, and I'm just going to be real honest here. When I used my teal from Heidi Swapp Color Shine, and I started splattering, I loved how that turned out. I loved how this turned out. This turned out perfect. But when I came up here to splatter, I got too much. And so I brought it over this way. I really just wanted to keep the splatters over on this side. And these little splatters came after the big splatters. And I wanted some big splatters. So anyway, it didn't quite turn out the way I envisioned, but it's still fine. And then I decided to bring in the medium gloss spray in Carnation and added that there and some in here. And you can even tell like this splatter and this splatter didn't come out like I wanted it to. It came out with like a streaky line, but that's a-okay. You cannot control the splatters, so you have to learn to embrace it and love how they land. You got no choice, right? All right. I appreciate you all. Make sure you get out your photographs, document those memories in a fun, creative way. Make sure that you go check out Becky, Kathy, Traci's channel. I will have their links listed below. And go check out our Facebook group site and go see what all the other members are creating. And then plus, we would love to see what you are creating. And so would our members. All right, we will see you next time. Give me a thumbs up and keep coming back. Bye.